So guys, here we go. I'm gonna use this NEO drone manually. So I'm gonna use this my phone to control it, and I would like to take a challenge. So the drone is gonna fly, go all the way in front of that mystical tree here. Then it's gonna turn like a right and go through this tree all the way out and go back here safe. The challenge also is the signal get lost and it gets too slow to connect to bring it back. So we're gonna try. Oops. Here we go, coming. The drone is coming. Come on, signal is so slow, but the drone is coming. As you can see, it's here. There we go. Safe. Come to your papa.